You're watching KGUN 9 on your side.
New technology could be a game changer for diabetics. The disease is considered an epidemic in southern Arizona. In this 9 on your side Health Watch, Kimberly Romo looks at how it could keep patients from losing a limb.
Researchers at the U of A Department of Surgery are using a $1 million grant to study the link between common activities and wounds that can ultimately lead to amputation. Now, we should warn you, some of what you're about to see is graphic. People with severe diabetes oftentimes lose what Dr. David Armstrong calls the gift of pain in their feet. A sore that goes unnoticed and untreated can get infected, leading to amputation, which can be fatal.
Half of them tend to be dead in 3 years, even more than that in 5 years.
But researchers may be able to prevent these sores from forming in the first place if they can better monitor a diabetic patient's daily activities.
You can't manage what you can't measure. And we have had a hard time in measuring certain things like activity and quality of life and issues like that.
That's where this tiny sensor comes in. It's worn in a special undershirt. Dr. Armstrong's team is trying it out on more than 100 patients with the highest risk of having an amputation. The sensor's information gives doctors an exact breakdown of what the patient is up to.
I was sitting, standing back up, walking.
What is it about that activity that may be harmful?
For instance, if you were jogging, it may not be how far you jog, but it may be the number of times you start and stop that activity that may be more dangerous in terms of getting a sore, but also in terms of healing one.
That info can help doctors determine if a patient needs to change certain activities, especially during and after their foot infections are treated. Researchers will monitor the data as it comes in, but it will take about 3 years for official results. Dr. Armstrong is confident similar technology will be available online and as cell phone apps sooner than that. I'm Kimberly Romo with your KGUN 9 on your side Health Watch.
The